welcome back to Cocktails for Quarantines. Our buddy Ryan asked for a great margarita recipe, so we're gonna do that today. We're actually gonna make a Blood Orange Margarita that we've made around the house here for a couple years. It usually goes over well. You can make it more simple. Basically, you know, a great margarita has tequila, very nice orange liqueur, fresh lime juice, and agave. And if you get all those ingredients right, you're gonna have a great margarita. Today we'll make the Blood Orange Margarita. I'll show you what that is. And come on, we're starting with the Altos Silver Tequila. Not very expensive, but really great. We're gonna use Solerno's Blood Orange liqueur, Sicilian blood oranges. Usually for a regular margarita, you might use a Cointreau, something like that. But today we'll use the Solerno and a little bit of Campari for some added flavor, and we're not using any bitters. So we'll get our shaker out here, and we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of tequila. Into the shaker. Then we're going to go 3/4 ounces of the Solerno. Fantastic. And 3/4 as well of fresh lime juice. And then 1/4 ounce of the Campari. Campari makes a really interesting flavor combination in the margarita. Combined with the other flavors in there, it almost brings out like a grapefruit kind of flavor. That's why we only use 1/4 ounce. We don't want too much bitterness in there. And then 1/4 ounce of agave syrup. All right, we're gonna put some ice in here and give this a good shake. It's about 15-20 seconds. I wanna make sure that the lime gets completely broken down and everything gets real cold. So before we pour that in our glass, we're gonna put a little salt rim on the glass. If you don't like salt on your rim, don't worry about it. But we're gonna put a little bit of the Campari and a little bit of the Solerno in here, combine those flavors, go along 1/2 of the rim like that. And then we've got some coarse kosher salt, and we're just going to get that on there, tap that off so it doesn't fall all over the place, and that will be our salt rim. We're going to put the rest of our ice in here and then strain. Look at that color, it's really cool. And then we'll put a lime wheel on here. I don't have a knife. You got a knife. Lime wheel like that. And that should be a really great margarita. The Blood Orange Margarita. Thanks for joining us on Cocktails for Quarantines. We'll see you next time.
Cocktails for